talking in the sand like nothing's wrong. I'm just trying to write you a song. The sun is going down, I am getting wild. Just can't remember the last time you smiled. Yeah.
I'm ready.
You want one bag or two bags?
One bag. How many bags do you have?
I got two.
No?
And one each?
No. We couldn't finish. Hello guys. Today me and Justin will cook Korean spicy noodle and to be honest I don't like it, but it's Justin's first time to try and I think he will gonna try. Okay. No, trust me. You gonna waste.
Fine, just one.
Yeah. If my video has a foreigner, then they have audience to watch.
You can include the music.
What are you doing?
Spilling things.
Why you always make things messy? Okay. This is
Okay.
yeah. Okay, so this is Justin's spicy noodle. This is my Taiwanese noodle. Oh, I prepare milk for you. Trust me, you hear me.
Scared now. I'm gonna have like one, two.
Milk. Justin said that he doesn't need milk, but I don't believe it. Okay.
Alright.
You try first.
You first?
No,
No, you first.
easy.
Easy. Alright.
Yeah. Actually, I don't like the Korean spicy noodle.
Well, it's everything spicy from Korea. Good? Delicious? Okay, I'm done. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Spicy.
Yeah. So spicy.
Water doesn't works.
It hits your tongue like straight away. It's like, ow.
Are you gonna finish that?
No way.
Try milk. Milk works. Are you gonna exchange noodle with
Yeah,
me?
I'm gonna steal lots of your noodles instead. Ah, I'm forgetting how to use chopsticks. What's going on? I need the wooden ones back.
But you know, people want to see you watch the spicy noodle.
They wouldn't see me cry on YouTube.
Yes. Really emotion for the noodle. Okay,
Yeah,
you
we'll
eat
do it.
3 big spoons and then
Big,
you mine.
no. You go one first.
No, it's yours.
Hey Aaron, come try some noodles. Are you okay? Are you crying?
Yes.
A little bit?
My nose water running. Sorry. How was it? How was it?
Funny because it doesn't taste bad. It's just like it's like trying to drink bleach or something. Yeah, it's yours.
No, it's yours.
No, wait.
You can share with them.
No, I'm okay.
Okay, good. Now, yours. Yours.
That's yours.
No, yours. Ah.
No, see.
No, it's yours.
No. I'm gonna cheat. Look.
You disgusting.
Yum. Easy. Still spicy.
No, you are cheating.
No, you can finish. I'll finish. Sorry.
I think I cheated already though.
Yeah.
Look.
Delicious.
Jesus.
Delicious.
You are just ruining the noodle.
I'm improving.
Why is so strong the flavor?
Yeah.
Try help.
No, in between. No.
Yes.
I'll eat after, not mix acid with chili. He doesn't even like the smell. Oh, poor dog.
Okay, guys, we give up. Justin just
No, I didn't.
pour out all the noodles.
And you blame me.
You said you will finish. Okay, guys, see you guys next video, and the next one we're gonna try some stink noodles.